The Luthuli Museum is a national cultural institution charged with conserving, upholding, promoting, and propagating the life, values, philosophy, and legacy of the late Chief Albert Luthuli. It also includes the original home of Chief Albert Luthuli in Gradville, built in 1927. As you walk through the garden, one can see the area where he spoke to the late US Senator Robert Kennedy and also met with other ANC leaders like Nelson Mandela. The recently built resource center, named after his wife, Mrs. Nokhanya Luthuli, boasts a 200-seater auditorium space, display area, and working space for youth clubs supported by the Luthuli Museum. This year, in 2021, the Luthuli Museum commemorates 60 years after Chief Albert Luthuli won the Nobel Peace Prize in Oslo in 1961, being the first African to ever receive this award.